Hello internet, my name's Catherine and today I'm talking to you guys about how I always look good. These are tips that I have collected over the years that I think really just always help make sure that you always look good no matter what you are wearing, no matter where you are going, no matter what you are doing. And I just wanted to share them with you guys. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. Get inspired by searching Pinterest for outfits and hairstyles and makeup that you like, and use that when getting ready. My second tip, and arguably the most important, is to wear what makes you feel confident. My third tip is to have a go-to outfit that you have in your closet and can always throw on. Mine is a white shirt, jeans, and a leather jacket. It's classic, it looks effortless, and you can wear it anywhere. Tip number 4, when in doubt, stick to the basics. I think everybody should have black and white tees in their closet. Having good fit to your clothes is crucial. I love this top because it looks so flattering on and really fits me really well. Wrap dresses will always look good as they cinch you in the waist and flatter any bust size. Now, this is a cute outfit, but the skirt is too big. It doesn't flatter my waist at all. But if I were to get it tailored in a little bit where it accentuates my waist, that looks so much better. If you ever feel about an outfit, try tucking it in. You can either try the half tuck, or you can also try the full tuck. These just really help accentuate your waist and bring shape back to your body. Adding on to the last hack, adding a belt will always help your look more put together and accentuate your waist. Accessories are a great way to add style to your outfit, but just make sure you accessorize minimally. We don't need a whole lot going on. Keep the look going. If you have great hair and makeup, don't ruin it with that outfit. That being said, anything can be a look. Style it right and have the confidence and you can pull off anything. Alright, well that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I make new videos every single Saturday and I would love to have you. Hope you guys have a great day. Love you so much. Bye!